Since the turn of the millennium 20 years ago, there's been an acceleration of the speed of change. Although most industries embarked upon transformation into post-millennium ways of being before the year 2000, the ever-escalating process of innovation and automation is altering how people live, how they work, and how businesses operate. The machine-oriented methods and language indicative of the industrial age are giving way to humanist approaches that demand deeper connection between people and their work, and between people and the companies they work for. IFRS 17 begins the process of moving the actuarial and accounting internal engine of the insurance company from industrial age ways of thinking and working into millennium age ways. In order to succeed in implementing IFRS 17, some of the characteristics of the standard itself must be taken on and learned by the people charged with conducting the implementation. Themes of transparency, depth of context, and the need to dig deeply into human capital to co-create are inherent in the IFRS 17 standard itself, and not coincidentally, are key characteristics of what it is to be in business in the new millennium. The operating factors in the IFRS 17 and beyond framework that accelerate implementation and build agility into ways of working are: 1. High levels of context and meaning shape the way in which people dialogue and make day-to-day decisions about where to spend their effort. 2. Clear and commonly understood language describing the IFRS 17 transformation and how to accomplish it. 3. Full transparency in what the strategy for making organizational transformation is and how it will be enacted across all levels. The three operating factors create speed and agility using the available financial and human resources. The three factors, context, consistency, and transparency, are also founding principles of IFRS 17 and the imperatives that motivated IFRS 17. This synchronicity is a powerful accelerator in the assimilation and norming of the dramatic shifts in mindset, i.e. values, beliefs, and success factors, that are needed for IFRS 17 compliance to be robustly successful. Applying the IFRS 17 and beyond framework clears a natural and reduced friction pathway for work and productive dialogue among and between groups that are perhaps unfamiliar with cross-functional ways of working, interdisciplinary collaboration, and transformation initiative work in general. Reduced friction between people not only accelerates speed, but does so with reduced strain on people. More is accomplished in the same time with the same money. Furthermore, by applying the IFRS 17 framework as described here, actual transformation is measurable and reportable over and above work or task completions, or delivery of artifacts, management of knowledge, or production of technology products. With larger population getting more direct experience with modern, i.e. IFRS 17 transformed state, ways of working and dialoguing, the leading edge techniques that drive transformation forward while taking less strain, the people and organization is better equipped and has capacity to take on the next radical industry change. The series of deliverables produced in the 4 working sessions are visible and available to all implementers. They culminate in 1. A unified language of IFRS 17 and beyond transformation, and 2. The pivot points, trade-offs, paradoxes, and breakdowns that people will need to dialogue through as they discuss the solution architecture and comparative run results. This provides a basis to compare all efforts against, to test whether or not what is being discussed will produce forward motion or not, whether it is a critical item to resolve or just an issue to work through. It is this point in particular that describes the value proposition of applying the IFRS 17 and beyond framework. Amidst the sea of unknowns that is transformation, a grounded set of truths become the basis of knowns upon which implementation work revolves, thereby allowing forward motion without the traditional analysis-produced evidence that isn't possible in transforming environments.